In today's video, I will share with you the best websites to learn GIMP online. Let's get started. GIMP is a free and powerful alternative to Adobe Photoshop, perfect for those who are looking for professional-grade editing capabilities without the hefty price tag. Mastering image editing softwares like GIMP can be daunting due to its extensive features and options. Thankfully, there are numerous online resources available to help you learn GIMP effectively. Let's explore some of the best websites where you can find tutorials and guides to enhance your GIMP skills. The first one is GIMP Users. Known as the GNU Image Manipulation Portal, GIMP Users offers a comprehensive platform for all things related to GIMP. The website features forums, chat rooms, hotkeys guides, written tutorials, and video tutorials covering a wide range of topics from basic to advanced techniques. While some video tutorials may require a BitTorrent client for downloading, the written tutorials provide step-by-step instructions with screenshots to aid your learning process. The second one is the GIMP official website. The official GIMP website not only offers the latest version of the software for download, but also provides a dedicated tutorials page. Tutorials are categorized into beginner, intermediate, expert, photo editing, web design, and script authoring, catering to users of all skill levels. The tutorials are well written and thorough, making it easy for beginners to follow along and understand the various features and functions of GIMP. The next one is GIMP Tutorials. GIMP Tutorials boast a vast collection of tutorials covering a wide range of topics, including painting, special effects, photo manipulation, and website design. Each tutorial is broken down into easy-to-follow steps, accompanied by large images to help illustrate the process. Whether you're interested in creating stunning visual effects or designing website layouts, you'll find tutorials tailored to your interest and skill level. And the last one is Gimpology. Gimpology is another valuable resource for GIMP tutorials, featuring submissions from various creators listed in reverse chronological order. Users can favorite tutorials, leave comments, and rate them, providing valuable feedback and guidance to fellow learners. While some information may overlap with other sites, Gimpology constantly updates its collection with new and diverse tutorials to explore. At the end of the day, there are numerous websites dedicated to helping you master GIMP and unlock its full potential. While the websites mentioned in this video focus specifically on GIMP, don't hesitate to explore tutorials for other image editing software like Photoshop, as many techniques can be adapted for use in GIMP. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and explore different tutorials to enhance your skills. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.